When selecting lighting for steam showers, it is crucial to choose luminaires specifically approved for such environments. These fixtures are designed to withstand the high humidity and temperature conditions present in steam showers, ensuring both safety and longevity. Several manufacturers offer steam-rated luminaires suitable for this application. Progress Lighting offers the 700,000 39-31, an IC-rated, steam-rated, recessed shower light featuring a frosted glass lens. Hitchler Lighting provides the 42,031 ULT, a steam-rated, flush mount ceiling light equipped with a tempered glass diffuser. Halo Lighting offers the HLB 4063033, a steam-rated, recessed shower light that includes a white acrylic diffuser. For those seeking a wall mount option, Nora Lighting manufactures the SDW 416, a steam-rated luminaire with a frosted glass shade. Nevro Lighting offers the 60/5496, a steam-rated, recessed shower light with a clear glass diffuser. When evaluating luminaires for steam shower applications, several factors warrant careful consideration. Firstly, verify that the luminaire is explicitly marked as suitable for steam rooms or steam-rated. This marking indicates that the fixture has been tested and certified to withstand the harsh conditions present in steam showers. Secondly, strictly adhere to the manufacturer's installation instructions. Proper installation is paramount to ensuring the luminaire's safe and reliable operation. This includes using appropriate wiring methods, sealing techniques, and mounting hardware. Thirdly, engage a qualified electrician for the installation process. A licensed electrician possesses the knowledge and expertise necessary to ensure that the luminaire is installed in accordance with all applicable electrical codes and safety standards. Steam showers inherently generate significant amounts of moisture. Proper ventilation is essential to mitigate moisture buildup and prevent potential electrical hazards. Consider incorporating a ventilation system that effectively removes steam from the shower enclosure, reducing the risk of condensation and corrosion. Electrical codes, such as the National Electrical Code, provide specific guidelines for electrical installations in wet and damp locations. Consult the NEC and local electrical codes to ensure compliance with all applicable requirements. The NEC defines specific zones within a shower or tub area and specifies the types of luminaires permitted in each zone. Typically, luminaires installed within the shower enclosure must be rated for wet locations and be protected by ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI. GFCI protection is crucial to prevent electrical shock hazards in wet environments. GFCIs are designed to detect even small imbalances in electrical current and quickly interrupt the circuit, minimizing the risk of injury. Furthermore, consider the ingress protection, or IP rating of the luminaire. The IP rating indicates the degree of protection provided against the intrusion of solid objects and liquids. For steam shower applications, a luminaire with a high IP rating, such as I65 or higher, is recommended to ensure protection against water ingress. When selecting a luminaire, consider the light output and color temperature. The light output, measured in lumens, determines the brightness of the light. The color temperature, measured in Kelvin, determines the warmth or coolness of the light. For steam showers, a warm white light with a color temperature of around 2700 to 3000 Kelvin is often preferred, as it creates a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. The choice of diffuser material also influences the light quality. Frosted glass diffusers soften the light and reduce glare, while clear glass diffusers provide more direct and intense light. Acrylic diffusers are another option, offering a balance of light diffusion and durability. Remember that regular maintenance is essential to ensure the continued safe and reliable operation of steam shower luminaires. Periodically inspect the fixture for signs of damage or corrosion, and clean the lens or diffuser to maintain optimal light output. If any issues are detected, promptly address them to prevent potential hazards. Safety is paramount when dealing with electricity, especially in wet environments like steam showers. Always prioritize safety and consult with qualified professionals to ensure that your steam shower lighting system is properly designed, installed, and maintained. By carefully selecting approved luminaires, adhering to installation guidelines, and implementing proper safety measures, you can create a safe and enjoyable steam shower experience. Consider consulting the local authority having jurisdiction, or OJ, for specific requirements and interpretations of electrical codes in your area. The AHA can provide valuable guidance and ensure compliance with all applicable regulations. Be aware that steam showers require proper bonding and grounding of all metal components to minimize the risk of electrical shock. Bonding involves connecting all metal parts together to create a common electrical potential, while grounding provides a path for fault current to flow back to the source, tripping the circuit breaker. It is also imperative to consider the accessibility of the luminaire for maintenance and repair. Choose a location that allows for easy access to the fixture without requiring extensive disassembly or specialized tools. Consider the use of low-voltage lighting systems for steam showers. Low-voltage systems operate at a lower voltage, typically 12 or 24 volts, which reduces the risk of electrical shock. Low-voltage lighting can be powered by a transformer located outside the shower enclosure, further enhancing safety. When selecting a transformer for a low-voltage lighting system, ensure that it is rated for wet locations and is properly grounded. Furthermore, consider the use of dimmers to control the light level in the steam shower. Dimmers allow you to adjust the brightness of the light to create a more relaxing and personalized atmosphere. Ensure that the dimmer is compatible with the type of lighting used and is rated for wet locations. LED lighting is an energy-efficient and long-lasting option for steam showers. LED luminaires consume significantly less energy than traditional incandescent or halogen lights and have a much longer lifespan, reducing the need for frequent replacements. LED lighting is also available in a wide range of color temperatures and light outputs, allowing you to customize the lighting to your preferences. When selecting LED luminaires for steam showers, ensure that they are rated for wet locations and are compatible with the existing electrical system. Moreover, consider the use of wireless lighting control systems for steam showers. Wireless systems allow you to control the lighting from a remote location, such as outside the shower enclosure, providing added convenience and safety. Wireless lighting control systems typically use radio frequency, or RF, or Bluetooth technology to communicate between the controller and the luminaire. When selecting a wireless lighting control system, ensure that it is compatible with the type of lighting used and is rated for wet locations. Do not attempt to install or repair electrical wiring or equipment unless you are a qualified electrician. Electrical work can be dangerous and should only be performed by trained professionals. Always disconnect the power before working on any electrical equipment. If you are unsure about any aspect of steam shower lighting, consult with a qualified electrician or lighting designer. They can provide expert guidance and ensure that your steam shower lighting system is safe, functional, and aesthetically pleasing. Remember that the information provided is for general guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice. Always consult with qualified professionals and adhere to all applicable codes and regulations. Choose lighting fixtures that are specifically designed and approved for use in steam showers. These fixtures are built to withstand the high humidity and temperature conditions, ensuring safety and longevity. Look for the steam-rated marking on the fixture to verify its suitability for steam shower applications. Install the lighting fixture according to the manufacturer's instructions and in compliance with all applicable electrical codes. Proper installation is crucial for safe and reliable operation. Use a qualified electrician for the installation process. A licensed electrician has the knowledge and experience to ensure that the lighting fixture is installed correctly and safely. Ensure proper ventilation in the steam shower to prevent moisture buildup and potential electrical hazards. Ventilation helps to remove steam from the shower enclosure, reducing the risk of condensation and corrosion. Consider the light output and color temperature of the lighting fixture. A warm white light with a color temperature of around 2700 to 3000 Kelvin is often preferred for steam showers, as it creates a relaxing atmosphere. Consider the use of low-voltage lighting systems for steam showers. Low-voltage systems operate at a low voltage, reducing the risk of electrical shock. Always prioritize safety when dealing with electricity, especially in wet environments like steam showers. If you have any doubts or concerns, consult with a qualified electrician or lighting designer.